Started the business when I was about 13 years old. I mean, all the way back to when I started, I was getting paid out of the Coke machines. I'd go to work with my dad in the summer and it was like, okay, go clean that office or go down on the shop floor and work with this individual. And typically in the summers, I would work on the staff here from anything from working my way through welding, robotic welders, press brakes, and laser operations, and then the company as a whole from a production standpoint. Essentially, I got my start because it was my dad's business and it's what I grew up in. My name is Parker Huncilman, General Manager for Huncilman Sheet Metal Fabrication. From the confirming orders, ordering material, scheduling jobs in the shop, dealing with any HR concerns. I also address engineering concerns with our engineering department. I'm in front of the customer kind of on the inside sales side a lot. I'm organizing our build schedules between what our customers' due dates are, what we can do internally, and I manage everything from start to finish. Where we are with Huncilman's today, it was my dad and my uncle were at retirement age. It was a play for longevity for them, and as far as growth for the company is essentially how this all came together. So when we took the business to market, we came across Matthew, and that's how he and I met. Regionally, we're situated with Nix Industrial perfectly. There's no record of any fifth generation companies in the state of Indiana merging together. That in itself is how special that is to me. And it wasn't really a selection. It was more of, this is meant to be. I love being outside, hunting, fishing, anything outdoors. Summertimes I like to be on the water, just time with family in general. We've got a really good core team here that's enjoyable to be around. We've got parts all over the world. Driving down the highway and looking at a semi truck and saying, I know exactly where that part was made, knowing that it was made right here in the US, that's probably the most humbling part of what we do.